I am Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. And you know, Yardstyle Live is sponsored by Willis Stat Roof, the legendary Backyard Magazine, Star Walk Fashion, Yardstyle Live. Yes, we keep it real. Yes, we keep it clean.
Yardstyle Live. Yardstyle Live. Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle Live.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yardstyle Live. And you don't know, on Yardstyle Live today we have Mr. Everton Hardware, popularly known as Singing Melody. Finally, on Yardstyle Live after 1 year other bookings in there. Singing Melody.
Greetings,
Yeah, man,
greetings,
bless you.
greetings,
Later throughout the
greetings.
year.
Why you have a nice backyard? That's why
Yeah,
it's
so-
called yard style.
Yeah, cause you know, with the end of the yard, yes, we keep it real. And yes, we keep
Trust
it
me,
clean.
I do enjoy backyard because I have a nice one too.
Yeah, man.
You know, so it's beautiful. I
Yeah,
mean,
man.
you couldn't choose a better place than here, man. And the program is excellent.
Yeah,
you know,
man.
so
I'm here for big up Father Willie. You know, Willie start with him, give her the blessings for do this. You know, so
well, that is
Father
good.
God, too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
'cause we always say it takes everybody to make things happen.
True.
You know, so it couldn't happen with you alone. And it's just a
collective
effort
Yes.
with everybody. Greetings and thank you for having me.
Yeah, man. You know, so right now, people, as I said, this is Singing Melody. His right name is Everton Hardware, but when me always want to ask enough for all of the interview to do, oh, did the Everton Hardware and this Singing Melody came about?
You think if I had used my correct name, like my birth name, Singing Melody, you think it would have connect? No, Everton Hardware. You think it would have connect? I don't think it would have
No,
connect.
sir. Because some
So-
artists so interview when they tell you their name. Well, yes, a
Yes,
big man.
no.
No.
But I tell you, it's like this name was, I was inherited this name in such a beautiful way because my first initial name was Singy Singy. And the reason for that is because I was always walking and singing and people would ask me, are you a singer? I was like, you know, stop to think about it. And then I answer them. So people start teasing me with the name now, Singy Singy. But it's long after that, after the sound system,
Era,
trying to get on the sound system now, I realize now that a name is necessary. Because what they gonna call you, you know?
Yeah.
So a friend of mine now who, me and him used to hang together from Greenwich Town, and I used to do security guard work. I call him Tanny, and we used to go check him every evening, you know? And one evening he said to me, say, you know, say that singing something this style. Now I go work out with you, you know. Yeah, it's on a 9, like a joke thing you depend, you know?
Singing.
Yeah. So it's like he must say, you need another name. But you know, we always walk with pocket Oxford Dictionary back in them days as a little youth. You always have a look at pocket take it out and search, research words and things. So me and him under one street like that, long time I work, you know, but him come outside and sit down with me and I skip 2 names. And we stop a melody and him I say, yeah, singing melody. And me I say, no. Me I say, too much melody there about, man. At the time you have Bobby, at the time you have Bobby Melody.
Yeah.
Bob Marley are the melody makers, you know, them we got to do for them thing. And then
Courtney
now you have
Melody,
Courtney
Courtney
Melody
Melody.
just bust them
Yeah.
time there. Me I said, no man, too much melody. And the man remind me. So we go back now and look pan singing again and we read the meaning of singing and we say this is powerful. It's an art, you know. Singing is an art and you know, blah blah blah. Me I say, yeah. So me keep singing. Then we go back and look pan the meaning of melody again and realize that melody now is whether vocals come together or instrument. You know, so if you sing, so no, me start pre the name now, me I say, but if you sing, you have to be singing in melody.
Yeah.
So that's how that name get started, and I started on the sound systems now as singing melody.
Yeah.
And that name has never changed.
Never.
I tell you something really profound. I've been fighting for over 15 years to get the rights for my name.
Really?
Yeah, and I couldn't get it. Why? Because it's too familiar word that people use regular.
Yeah.
Singing
Okay.
melody.
Yeah.
So I ended up register it and trying to get the name, trying to own it.
Own it.
So
Okay.
now I'm a proud owner of Singing Melody. So I just want to state that.
Wow. Yes.
The name Singing
So,
Melody.
people, anybody that try for Singing Melody name, him own it.
I only pursuing I go
Yeah,
on
what
now.
about that? Yeah. Yeah, and like when we want to kick back and collect some royalties.
Yeah, you know, I
Alright.
mean, I think I deserve it.
Yeah,
you know.
man. So, Singing Melody, me can tell you this, you know. Singing Melody. I don't mean to sound old, but I've been watching your career from, I don't want to say day one, you know, from them time there.
Mm-hmm.
Zane, me can remember your song, them, me can remember your mashed up, me can remember when your foot did broke.
Well,
Me can remember when you do
I'm
the song with
reminded,
Dougie Fresh.
I was reminded so much about that.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, so when Singing Melody foot broke, it come like the man get a big fight, everybody sorry for him. It's like him boss right there, so. Me can't
Well,
tell you.
I think it's a different word than sorry.
Yeah.
You know, I think it's more, you know, I didn't know that I was so loved by
Yeah, man.
the people of Jamaica.
Yeah,
To be
man.
honest with you, as a ghetto youth, I grew up and get involved in music and get the influence of music. It's something that you love to your heart, you know. It wasn't anything that you think say, oh, get rich off or something, but you just love the environment, you love the people who are in it and everything. So therefore, it's like this great feeling that come over you. So everything that you do, whether it's on a sound system or you record a song, you try to go heart and feelings because this is what you love. And then to find out that after all these songs come out now, it's like they're not really yours again. It's like you lose them. It's like people just take them from you and own them.
Yeah.
So it's like you start to feel a different way now. But until is when I met into my accident, I start to realize my real value. Because I didn't know. I was just doing music
Just a-
because I
just a
love
sing song,
and just love what I do. You know, but and then traveling, of course, go explore a different kind of environment again that we don't used to. Because most Jamaican artists who bust back in the 80s, them just used to maybe 300 people in our land and phone, because you know we are sound
Community
system,
level, we call it,
community
the
level,
level, yeah.
500
Yeah.
or sometimes 1,000, depends on how big. But we're not used to a big crowd like 200,000 people, 150,000. Where you go with that? A fainting business that when they see them crowd, you faint, you don't even know if you sick.
I'm
But
going to ask you now, Zane, what was it like when, like, Singing Melody, when you sang them boss, and you become a household name, everybody, and producer come knock at the door and say, yo, Singing Melody, we need it. What was that?
it was really a thrilling feeling because knowing how hard I tried to make this happen, and it wasn't just me alone, it was a lot of us that was treading at the time. Footwork we are talking about.
We know the entire man, right?
So yeah, we are trad, grown, shoes, bottom, robot, all of these things, you know. But when you first hear the song, where really people say yes, it was Show Me With Your Love.
Yeah, man. Steely and Cleavy.
Steely and Cleavy.
Yeah, man.
And when I first heard Barry G talk about that song, no, I heard the sound system play it. And the forward them was great but that was my environment.
I will sing the original again. So
Surface.
Surface, yes. Surface.
Yes, and when that song came out at the time, I love that song so much because for me, what a lot of people don't know, I grew up with mostly females. So the thing is that I had so much respect and love for them. So therefore, every love song me practice.
Yeah,
Every love song. Find it I deal with love, I eat me practice. And then now I watch D Brown and them man. So when the music came out, Show Me With Your Love, I cover it with Steely and Cleavy and it came out
Limousine
and
rhythm,
yeah.
Yeah.
And me I say, yo,
Yeah.
that song make me feel good. But it's the reaction from the people that actually got me because me I say, yo, I never know something so good. You know? So of course it was a chilling feeling. I mean, what you expect is first hit song.
Yeah.
It's like, yo.
You're the thing me tell about Singing Melody.
You know?
The rhythm name Limousine.
Well,
see
it's,
that
it's
rhythm?
darker shade.
No, it's Taxi, you know. Them call it Limousine. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
no. The original name for that rhythm is darker shade of black.
Yeah.
Tum tu 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 tum 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 tu tum 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 tu, right? No, that is Shine. I found out. Well, darker shade is. What go again? I can't remember the bass line, but it's darker shade. Steely and Cleavy lick over that rhythm.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's there's an older version than that.
Well, I have to research it. You know, 'cause
Yeah.
I'm never too old
What you
for it.
call it?
Them call the compilation still they call it Limousine.
Oh,
Yeah. See, what did that? We can't tell about the rhythm now. 'Cause we review the rhythm.
yeah.
It's a Limousine rhythm created because there was 2 songs on it. two cover versions that the cover version did actually bigger than the song. It was Foxy Brown,
Yes,
Sorry, and
Sorry.
then Singing Melody with Show.
Yeah, yeah. I
Them two
remember.
songs there.
Yeah, the
they
two
can't
big songs.
Wanna
Those
bring
are two
life
bad.
back to them song there. Because them
That-
time in the 80s,
that
you know,
was
them
true.
song there. So that, you were a part of that history there. Me can't tell you
That is true. That is
yeah, man,
true.
but forward along Singing Melody in the 80s to the 90s, Singing Melody, you do so much song, believe me, every song is a hit. You don't let it flow, you do whatever you want.
But that was, but,
You
but that
know-
was right.
me can remember, you know,
Yeah.
one song. And the song called my favorite color, you know. I know blue is my favorite color. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do
Yeah,
is take a look at you.
yeah. Then I'm not so blue.
Hold on.
When you're close to me, I can hear your heartbeat. Phil Collins, man.
Big man,
Big song.
that
big
was
song.
one of my
Yeah.
favorite.
I bring that song in the dance hall.
big. Yo,
But
we-
it was a very love song.
Yeah.
The original version of it was a very love song because it has a certain kind of, like for me, like me tell you, see as an artist, a singer, for me go with heart. A soul me deal with. Until you me open my mouth, a soul me I go for. Me not go for just entertainment. Me I go for capture you. So because me know me not have the pretty run them, like most of the R&B singer them. Me go for soul. Me go for your heart and how you feel. So when I open my mouth, even if it's a song I'm not right, me I make sure say it sound different from the one where you know.
Yeah,
Cause it a come for you, for own you.
yeah.
So that's the real purpose of an artist, is real to capture
Yeah.
souls.
And here you capture the people of them. When you do the song, whenever you want you back for God. Yo, when
Oh,
that's,
yeah.
oh
Well,
my God. No, believe me. No,
Like I said, you know, there was many songs even
Yeah.
before that.
Yeah.
You know,
no, if me have got to listen, me have got to invite you again to the yard. But I forgot about part 2, 3, and 4. We
yeah,
just,
yeah. You just summarize it.
Yeah.
But Back for Good was a time in my life that I was going through relationship struggle. And that song was brought to me by my producer, Bolby,
Yeah,
at the
Bolby,
time, because we had let it flow and I was living in the US. To be honest with you, I never really know what is happening in
I
Jamaica.
think that Captain Barker did the intro for that song. You know?
No,
The
Ranking Taxi.
Ranking Taxi, yeah.
From
Ranking,
Japan.
Yeah, from Japan. Sorry, I mixed
So,
up,
yeah man, so when Let It Flow came out, I went back to the US and producer called me and said, yo, song take off, you know. What you do, you know, come back here. And I said, can't bother you, man. Because right now, I go through some things that rare. The man said, no, man, we have to work on the album. So I said, I have a song for you, I'm going to change your life. And I said to him, say, I wonder, I must have God song you give me, because only thing right now can change the situation. And I came to Jamaica and he passed me the cassette. Back then was cassette.
Yeah.
So he passed me a cassette and said, I want you to listen to this song. By Take That.
Yeah.
So jump in the car now and put in the song because I was very excited because my producer I'm not missing out.
Yeah, man.
Anything where he say,
Yeah, man.
that I go work.
Yeah.
So put in the song on a plate. And the song sound nice, but it kind of slow. And this time now it was the heat of Beenie Man and Bounty Killer War.
Yeah,
I want
yeah.
nothing slow like that to come out, man. No, you're going to have problem. Flop song that immediately, like, no. So I call him back and I say, Bolby, them song are out of the tempo you know, man. The song can't work, man.
And I beside the wall.
I mix up. Yes, I beat man and Bounty up on the wall thing. And the man said to me, said, I'm going to explain just as how him said. He said, sing it.
Yeah.
That you watch. Just practice the song, man. Me tell you, say you not miss. And I take the song home. I never listen it for weeks. Like, it's boring to me at the time, you know. And then, right after that now, you know, I've been playing the song every now and then at the yard and in the car. Because I always have my little daughter taking her to school. I never knew that she would have liked the song so much. So one day I heard her singing the song. So I said, where you know that song from? She said, Daddy, you were playing it in the car. I love it. It's nice. I'm going to call the producer immediately and said to him, say, look, get the musician them together. I come and shoot it tomorrow. We come lick the rhythm. When I reach, Sly and Rabbit set up a long time. And the man them start practice all the drum sections them and all of that. And I said, what? Things serious. So we lay the rhythm down. I did a cheap demo voice on it because like I tell you, I didn't like the song.
Yeah.
because I was going through the same thing that the
I
song
was saying.
was saying. I'm the type of person like this. I didn't want to bring my personal feelings into something
Yeah.
that is so personal to
Yeah,
me,
sensitive, you know?
sensitive.
Yeah.
So I decided, sing a cheap version. But it's long after that now, I record the song about 10 times. Can't get it right. The vibe on it just can't connect, So the producer get upset with me now and say, yeah, me not record the song. I go for a man for record it. So, yeah, if you want to sing it, just sing it. So, them go for Dean,
Yeah.
Dean Fraser.
Yeah.
And Dean Fraser come and sit down on the board now and say, sing it ready, press. And I see them have a big conversation, while you sing, you see them a reason, and them not paying no mind. So I get upset and start say, yo, what I go on? All the man them just have reason out my session. So Dean stop and say, 2BC and some RC
RC.
and say, yo, you sing the song or you not sing the song? Because you're not singing, that's why we're there, that's a reason. So that's how that song came out to be so powerful, because I decided to just say, you know what, let me just empty my personal
Feelings in it.
In the
You
song.
just let it flow.
and the man them just stop and say, yeah, eat that. Ready now.
Yeah.
And that was it.
And the rest.
I
is
went to New York
history.
and I heard that Mighty Mike play the song the Sunday 17 times.
Yeah.
And I said, all right, Bulby, you won. You said that the song would have connect. That song came out, stopped the heat of Bounty Killer and Beenie Man War.
Yeah.
The song has been taking over dancehall and playing 6 and 7 times.
Yeah, man. Because me played enough time in that video.
Yeah.
Man. Me can tell you the
And-
dance, the road, when that play, that's a wheel up, man.
This-
That record.
Yeah, so the song has changed my life, just as the producer said. So that's why it's important for me as an artist to work with experienced people, but also work with some people that is not so experienced. So you can get a both sides of the world.
Balance.
And yeah, so you get a balance of what is good and what is not so good, or what is promising, if you understand.
All right, so moving along, Singing Melody had many hits after that. And I think you had an album in 2010. I was at the launch. Do you
Yes.
know that album?
2012.
2012?
Yeah, it was, they called me Mr. Melody.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, the one with the red jacket.
Yeah,
That's what-
one with the red
yeah.
jacket. Yeah, I was
Yeah.
at the launch.
I haven't done many albums. It was surprising to a lot of people because I've known younger people like Sizzla and them, and they will come out
With all
and them
800
have
albums.
800 albums. But I think that, music, you should give people time to grow with you. And that's why I'm still relevant today, because I don't get myself old before me get old.
Yeah.
So what me want to do is grow with the music and make the music grow me. So that's it. But like kudos to who want to make like 200 albums, because it's big on the check too, So I'm not just about the check, I'm about life. I'm about taking care of what taking care of me.
Yeah.
About loving people and taking time out to love at the same time.
And that album was called Mr. Melody.
They call me some, yeah.
Then last year, you came with the album, it's like, it describes your life. It's called The Next.
Chapter. Yeah.
And the album released in the heights of the pandemic.
In the heights of the pandemic, I was kind of brave.
Yeah.
It was not only me, it was Dexter that
Yeah.
put out album, it was Taros, it was so much of my friends them put out project.
Yeah.
But it's until I put out my one, I started to realize there's so much project coming out. I was like, whoa, so I thought I was the only one who was thinking, like, this is the right time to put out an album.
Yeah.
Actually, it was not.
Yeah.
But you know what? With us, music is always personal to us. And whenever I feel a sensation, like I always tell people, I don't write music. Music write me.
Thank you.
So the whole thing is that I don't do music until I'm called to it.
Yeah, you have to have a vibe. You have to have a
There's
calling.
there's a certain situations and certain things that call you to a song. And that song, like a song I make now in the studio, like just finished a brand new
How
studio.
could you?
No, that just came out, but the song that I'm talking about now is a new inspiration that came to me by just having a rhythm day.
Yeah.
So you see, music call you. And if you're a true musician or a true artist, Phil, it calls you to certain things. You're going to find yourself now that certain artists start come to you. And the reason why they're coming to you because you're thinking about them. It's the same telepathic
Then
energy
that's why
that
you're
we
there,
have.
man. Just call Miss Jacobs and say, say me I think about me. So You came out with an album called The Next Chapter. I
Yeah.
say, when me listen to the album from start to finish, me I say, what singing melody? You have a song called named Caliente with the
Yeah,
dog.
with
And
the
then
legend.
You have the
Yeah.
song named You Better Give Thanks. You know,
Yeah.
say, people, you can't say it on this. I me alone play the album there in Jamaica. I don't know about the rest of the world.
You're absolutely right.
Me alone. Everybody
Yeah.
get it. Music Feel Reggae Show. Big up the team.
Yeah,
Music
Roots
Feel
FM.
DJ
We have to
Spooky,
big up Roots
SK,
FM.
the
too.
share with the team.
Yeah.
We play the hell out of that album or anybody. Because the album was, as I said, majestically put together. As a matter of fact, it's in Backyard Magazine review. Me
Right.
review the album.
Wow, yes.
Yeah. So me can tell them listening, it was well done. You have Give Thanks.
Yes.
The Caliente. Remind me of some of the songs.
Give Thanks Caliente, we have Prove It To Me.
Yeah.
We have tracks like Selfishness, we have
Yes.
tracks like Her Emotions, you know, No Love.
No love.
Yeah.
No
Songs
love.
like that. So
Yeah.
the album was really put
No.
together into a story format.
Yes.
You know, so
And-
it brings the
and I
old
like
to
what
the new.
it said. The next
Chapter.
chapter. Like I said, my reach one part.
You know,
and
my
me
life
go
where,
me
so me I
this
go
up,
over a
this
different
up.
side
Yeah.
of town.
Yeah, I mean, can tell you. That when me listen to album more time when play it, me I say, Miss Jacobs, tell Siggy Bear say the album is shot, you know.
Yeah.
Every song, every week, me say,
We-
alright, what I used to do.
Yeah.
What we used to do on the Music for Reggae show, big up my team, DJs for Esco. You see, every week, we play a 2-second melody. The only part of the album when we play the part was say made in China. You know that part? We play every part.
The
We
part
play-
they can play.
Yeah, listen me. We played
Nice.
that song, me can tell you it was me can say it again and then I go
Yeah.
vex. And me alone in a Jamaica that played that song, that album
Well,
there.
you know what? I love Jamaica so much that I live here and I don't have to. You know, I've reached a part in my life now that I think Africa is the place for me.
Yeah.
Based upon my spirit and how I feel. But me love, for some reason there's a certain kind of energy that Jamaica carries and certain kind of thing that motivates you. Like things like that you just said. If you make an album and the radio doesn't play it, it motivates you to make a different album. You understand? But it's a shame because Jamaican radio has gone to a place where there's no balance no
Yeah.
more. There's
No,
just
that's why. That's why I set
confusion.
No, hold on. That's why I set the president. I said, listen, me no singing melody. Me I go play the hell out of the album. Where's
Yeah.
1 minute? You see me? But you know, me can't interview singing melody with and not talk about loss. Cause you the big brother for loss, you know.
Well, that's what them say, but me don't think so.
No,
Because
man,
you have
you're
some
the big
bigger
brother.
one in it, like Thriller. Thriller boss before me, you know.
Yeah.
With a song called Juggling Every Time.
And him boss
King
with,
Tubbies.
Yeah, and him boss with My Love that jam is on the top score.
Yeah,
already.
but that song that me just tell you,
Yeah.
a Thriller first hit song that was big, number one on RJR and all these things. Them time the JBC, RJR
Yeah.
was kind of the radio.
All this, all the name Lost come out. 'Cause you the big, we are but yeah, we are give it to you. That way that was say you are the big brother. All the Lost thing come, the LUST.
We lost knew each other from we were kids that go to studio.
Yeah.
You know, we know each other a long time and recognize that each other are talented. You know, such as Thriller You. Cause remember me tell him I go to Tubbies go see Thriller You as a big star around it. And then Lukey D, you know, is Firehouse
Yeah.
nephew. That a George nephew,
Yeah.
which is Lukey D uncle. So Lukey D, you know, as a younger youth them time, they never used to sing at Jamaica much. He used to record a lot, but he used to live in Detroit. So he used to come back and forth.
Yeah.
So when they at Jamaica, he always come at Tubbies with Firehouse crew.
Yeah.
So that's how me really get to meet Luke in house. So it's like, me start hear the youth here sing and him sound like foreigner always, like sound like, you know what I mean? I say, boy, I'm sound R&B-ish, but him sound good.
Yeah.
And him always can
He
do
was
some-
one of them disciplined singers. like
yeah,
I said,
yeah, and very particular person.
Yeah.
So it's like, me and I do the little run them and thing, the pretty run them. And me I said to him, say, yo, you can't sing straight, like, you know, like normal. But he wasn't a normal person, you know. He was really a talented brother. And then Thriller You know, we used to just get together and just
Tony
blow
Curtis.
harmonies.
Yeah.
No, Curtis never did it at that time.
Yeah, okay.
Curtis was still young.
Yeah.
He was the youngest
Yeah,
in the
man,
group.
yeah, man. Youngest in the group.
So it's long after that now, I met Curtis through going to dub studio and things like that. So me and Curtis, we used to carry Curtis and Jigsy King home every evening to Linstead.
Yeah. Because, you know,
And me I go
Roof Records,
Portmore.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me used to carry them. That's how me met them. So I encourage them to come to studio and rare. So every time them come, I drop them back when I go home.
Okay.
At Linstead.
Yeah.
So me and Curtis become bridging now. So me introduce, well, Curtis get to know Triller and so on and so on. So when I realize now the Vice them, the man starts a group, you know. But we don't have that now a long time because like we said, we were watching groups fading out
Yeah.
while we were coming in as solo artists, like the Mighty Diamonds and, you know, God bless Tabby Soul, you know.
Yeah.
The Mighty Diamonds and the Paragons and them group, they would have watched them music a fade off a radio. And now the dancehall, hardcore dancehall now start stepping in.
Yeah.
That are the younger version, them are we now. So when we see that I go on, we say, yo, why the music are great and when I hear the man in my play it, so would I love to have a group one day, like, seriously, we just attack, you know, and
Yeah.
Lukey there say, all right, every time them come say, yo, you hold a note there, you hold a note there, you hold a note there, and we start blow some on. And that's how the whole thing come together.
Yeah.
Till 1997 now, the man them decide to get serious and do something about it.
Yeah, the sweetness of your love. and
Sweetness
the
of your love.
Yeah. Yeah. And that, you understand
Yeah.
it?
So that was, cause only the sweetness of your love keeps me alive. A big song, big
Yeah,
song.
man.
I can't even attempt singing it myself. Most of the time I sing love songs and by myself, I feel left out. Like, are you cheating, bro? You know, you don't sound like Tony, you don't sound like Triller.
And hear the thing you know. My name matter about the other song we sing, and him sing about one ear supply song. How is that play?
Just as I am.
Just as I am.
Yeah. You say you love me just as I
Me I
am.
say to myself, you know, when me listen to when me listen to that song, then me I say, I want them to have a band that can say, and them say, yeah, sing melody. Cause it was
All
perfect.
those great songs a year, Run Free,
Oh,
Just As I Am, She Got Me.
yeah.
Lost is basically a force to reckon with because Lost has changed the face of reggae
Yeah,
when
man.
they came out
Yeah.
and re-inspire groups
Yeah, man.
again,
Yeah,
you know, such as the TOK, the
Vice Mail.
Vice
and all of
Mail,
them.
and
Yeah.
everybody will come up the ladder.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, they were still group, but they were struggling. You know, but until Lost come out and really start to really show the craft, you know, there was Monster Shack even before Lost
Yeah.
and Scare Them
Scared
Crew.
before loss.
Long time.
Yeah.
But you see, they weren't group. They were just guys are coming together solo wise and just doing some stuff. You know, because they were all trying to get their solo career out too. But seriously, on a group vibe,
Yeah, Lost.
has definitely
So
make a
big up the
mark.
rest of people in Malos, you know.
Yeah, man.
children,
Luke
the tour,
Tony.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was still touring up
Yeah,
till
man.
today, you know.
Yeah, man. It's
Even
so
though in a
happy.
year.
But
in a
you remember
year-
I said no. It's like how singing melody forward by your heart and look for the rest of them. Like, you go here, look at you go say, yo, sing it. You have to them on the show there, you know. Make the link for me. Cause as I say, you're the big brother. So like, come on, singing melody by your heart and I look out for the entire team. You understand me? Them
like
I go
I
forward
said,
one.
Them are forward,
Yeah,
man.
man.
And like me say, I remember I started out at 0. So it takes me nothing to do to show love to something that's also starting out and to be a success.
Yeah.
Because how things get successful, you have to have a beginning.
Yeah, man. You have to start from
You
somewhere.
can't go at the end and then come back at the beginning. So yard style live is something that I think people should watch
Yeah, man.
because it's very interesting and it's different. It's
Yeah,
like
man.
a yard back and with us a reason.
Yeah, man. That's
You
how it
understand?
is.
That's basically
That's
it.
why the tagline says, yes, so we keep it real, yes, so we keep it clean. So, singing melody. You have 2 new songs I work on now. Yeah, what are the 2 new
How
songs?
could you
How could
just
you?
release on the legendary Promotion Inc. label?
Yeah.
It's a fairly new producer. See, I like
I remember
Talk
say you have your
about
label
new,
in the
you know.
Shem Records, you know. I
And
don't want to
Shem-
leave that out. If I leave it out, them and
and Shem Music
Yeah,
record,
yeah.
Shem Music recording,
Yeah.
as well as they're actually brainstorming some new talents and I'm bringing some fresh things to the table as well. The album came under the production, the last 2 albums.
Yeah.
So we give thanks again for your friend in music as well to
yeah.
partner with us and Tough Gang International
Yeah.
as well too. You
Yeah,
know,
big
so
up Miss Jacobs. So,
Yeah, man.
so
And
you-
Miss Jacobs.
Big up, yes. If we don't big
can't
up,
let
you know,
her
say.
out, you know.
So,
Yeah.
you have How Could You, and you have the other song now.
The Uncle You, and then we have Give Thanks, which
Yeah.
was released on the album,
Yeah.
the last album.
Yeah.
But the reason why I chose those songs to even sing right now is because, to be honest with you, there's so much to give thanks for. And
No,
it's
I
a
tell
word
you,
that we use every day.
Every day and take it for granted.
Yes.
Yeah, man, but here, before we go, Tell the people them can find Singing Melody on the social networks there.
Well, it's easy. If you're on YouTube, Singing Melody JM is my channel.
Yeah.
And if you're on Instagram, it's Singing Melody. And if you're on Twitter, Singing Melody. And if you're on Spotify, Singing Melody. It's just a name that you have to get familiar with very soon if you're new to Singing Melody. But if you're not, everybody else knows where to find me. Google, easy, Singing Melody. And you will see all sorts of things pop up, included every social media platform.
Singing Melody. Before you go, it's the song when we hear with you, the how could you before we leave out of that part.
Yeah,
right?
man, definitely.
More you must be side cap on Yard Style Live, you know. The how-
Started being friends, never knew I would fall in love. Sharing everything, didn't expect anything. There are times when we were lonely and you said we need somebody. I was there to comfort you and wishing you were mine. Oh, could you walk away from me? Oh, could you? After all that we've been through, oh, could you? Oh, walk away from me. Oh, could you? Oh, could you?
People, you hear that? Singing Melody on Yard Style Live. As we say on Yard Style Live, so we keep it real, so we keep it clean. May I give thanks again
Every time.
for Singing Melody for being a part of Yard Style Live experience. You see me?
Oh, yeah.
I
it
know
was
serious
wonderful,
brother them
man.
so far, but yeah, man, big up Singing Melody, big up Miss Jacobs, big up all the people who came to make this happen. You understand me? Big up the team,
Yes.
but Singing Melody, respect.
Well, I must tell you just before I go that
Yeah.
Miss Jacob is one of your biggest fans.
Yeah, man.
And she called me about the show. She said, Melody, do Phil show. Because I said, no, I know Phil. Remember, he was on the project last year. And I said, yeah. She said, yeah. Just remember, Roots FM, man. And she started, you know, she have to go into the story.
Yeah.
I said, Miss Jacob, you don't have to tell me. I know Phil. It's okay. I will do it.
Yeah.
So I have to say big respect to Miss Jacob.
Yeah, man.
Keep pushing.
All right. Bless.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.
Hey, this is Yard Style Live, brought to you by
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is Yard Style Live. I don't know about Yard Style Live. Today we have the international acclaim, Everton Hardware. No, Singing Melody on Yard Style Live.
Yes, sir, Yard Style, you know. We give thanks every time, you know, for the opportunity and the moments. Who you are you, yeah, to come and say you're the one that created this. Yard Style, what am I saying? We gotta give thanks. We got to give thanks, yes, for the ones that come before us, and we gotta shake hands. We got to shake hands, yes, for a job well done. I said you gotta give thanks. We got to give thanks, yes, to the ones who come before us, and you better shake hands. You got to shake hands, yes, for the job well done. It's been a long time coming, from way back when. I've seen so many faces, I've heard so many voices who contributed to what we do and contributed to what we gain, so we can be more educated. Right now we better give thanks. We better give thanks, yes, to the ones who come before us, and you better shake hands. You got to shake hands, yes, for the job well done. Yard Style Live, we give thanks. We got to give thanks, yes, to the ones who come before us, and we got to shake hands. We got to shake hands, yes, for a job well done, yeah. The Almighty is the one who created us from way back when. and everything is still the same, and yet the cycle don't remain. So we all are here to do one thing, is build a better world for our children to be educated. So right now we have to give thanks. We got to give thanks, yes. Yard style they are before us, and we got to shake hands. We got to shake hands. Take it, because you don't know, we have to give thanks, A yard style settings. This is like being in back in the days when you're in the backyard and the sound system string out. So watch and no difference. We say watch out, we bring more music to your yard style. Yeah. Sorry, lady. I'm so sorry, baby. All my independent ladies. Yard style. Ha! Lady, oh, yeah. Saying to. Oh my God. Take it. It's yard style settings. You know what I mean? We got to let you know that this is where, we feel good. Back home in the backyard, the kids are playing balls and barbecue are going over there. So it's summer. So watch out. Summer feelings. Started being friends. Never knew I would fall in love. Sharing everything. Didn't expect anything. But there were times when you were lonely and you said you need somebody. I was there to comfort you and wishing you were mine. How could you walk away from me? How could you? After all that we've been through, how could you? Oh, walk away from me. How could you? After all that we've been through, girl. Girl, I trust in you and I swear that I never leave your side and ride or die. But now you're changing mood. I've seen it in everything you do. Girl, you keep on saying that you know that I've been cheating on you, and you know that I never cheat on you. Seems like that's the things you do. How could you walk away from me? How could you? Yard style, how could you walk away from me? How could you? After all that we've been through, girl, that's something wrong, and it's not saying what it is. I think you found someone else, and you acting like this. Girl, I'm losing you. What are the things to do? How Cupid, you got me good. You shot me in my heart. I never knew that things will never work. Long time you a dig and you a dig for the dirt. Now that you find out that never work. Me you want left and me you want hurt. Girl, I trust in you. I'm full. Yard style settings.
Yeah, for the people that are there, you don't know this is singing melody, but here what happen? You have one part, you see, with Yard Style Live, sometimes on the set we invent something. Spooky, drop some singing melody rhythm right about now. Drop around, share them, cause a once in a life thing, and now Willie start off this and a Yard Style Live. Here what? Why make singing melody sing till him?
No.
Yeah.
You see, that's one thing I will never do, is overdo myself. I overextend myself. But that's why I've never been booed. Artists who always extend themselves.
Spooky, run the track. Singing melodies in a Yard Style Live. Run the track.
Yeah. This time I'm hooked on you. Yard style, we and the ladies all the time. You know something? Me have something to tell her now. She said she loved me and she don't give a damn right now. All she need is just one chance. Yeah, Waban. And if she have to walk 1,000 miles off to me, she doesn't care at all. Tell me why? Because she loves me. Love me like no woman loved before. She said, believe me, you're the only man that I adore. If you receive me, they're everything I've always wanted more. More, yeah. She She's always understanding. She never pushed a fight. She's always tried to do right. Ooh, and damn those dresses when she puts them on. Ooh, she really blow my mind, yeah. The smell of her perfume really drives me nuts. Oh, she really turns me on. And that's why she say, hey, she love me body and she ever want more. Every time she do it, just she come back for more and more. Because she loves me. Yeah. Any man when I love the woman, nah, I love nobody. You have to love your mother first. Yeah, man, we big up all of the queens in the house and the queens and the princess too, you know, because we deal with balance. The kings and princess and queens. Balance we are dealing with. But of course, you know, music film kind of does always, you know, it have to fill you. And that's basically nature. So we big up the backyard. Music style live. And yard style live. So you want a partner? Because me name music style live, you know, and you name yard style live.
We'll have to speak to my lawyer.
All right, so. Yard style live. You know something? It's music, you know. My heart is filled with so much love. I go. Music fill. Yard style. All right. Check. My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. I've all this feeling oh so strong. Life is too short to live alone without someone to call my own. I will care for you and you will care for me. Our love will live forever. Yard style shower. Well, I'm in here the audience. What am I going with? Shower me with your love. All right, back in the days, how we go? Cause when I'm feeling blue, all I had to do is take a look at you. Then I'm not so... All right. Let me see if I can remember another one from back in the days. All right, go. Cause we all in this love together. I gotta love that. Yard style settings. And that's the reckons, you know. Big up yourself every time. Boy, the man say one more. All right, the next one, are you sing it here? All right. Flashbacks of the time we've had. Some made us sad, and some made us glad. We used to break up to make up of all the fun that we shared, yeah, from those love games. Oh, and I think I need something new. Oh, baby girl, you came through. And then I think about you, baby, from beginning to end. 365 days of the year. I want the same old love, baby. Girl, I want to do this. All I want from you is keep on loving you. I want the same old love. All right, there's a medley. Make him say, what I'm saying. I see the clock up on the wall, but it doesn't matter. All right, that was my big friend. All right, that was my big friend. Let me see if I can remember another one. This how they do you remember remix. Tune after tune, hits after hits. And in the year, if you like it like this, and it go a lick or something like this. Just say yeah, you love me, and I'll be yours, you be mine. Say yeah, you need me, and I'll be yours, you be mine. You can just say you love me, baby. Everything gonna be so fine. And just say you need me. And everything, you know Johnny Pugh that say, girl, if you love me, and you not tell me I home if you know. And if you write me and me can't read it, how me wind up. Pull up, Yard Style. Music Phil, come sing the next one.
Yeah. People, you don't know Yard Style like this. You see me, I big up Willis. Willis Star Truth. You don't know what beer stars I bring us on. You see me, big up yourself, Digital Sham. History creator there. Singing melody. I'm telling you, look out for Bunty Beanie. But if I'm singing melody, reach us out, the rest are going to come the Godfather. So you don't know, it's all about Yard Style Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Remember a little bit more, it's about Seafood Thursday. You understand? You have the 3,000, the 5,000, I think. You understand me? Seafood boil. You understand me? It's a setup. So, singing melody. Respect for being here upon Yard Style Live. You come shelter now. You see me?
Well, first of all, I like to big up anything that is new. Or not new, but anything that is fresh. Many times over the years, it's like Jamaican business has slowed down, gone way down in the guts, and to see that people are still creating and making things happen in such small space. During the time of COVID, we have to give thanks for the refresher, because sometimes some things happen and it may be disastrous, but it end up, it's like when a wilderness burned down. It's pure new trees come after that. So we are say we not give thanks to the death them, but we give thanks to the changes where we are going through in our life, and we hope that we see many businesses like this and many backyards like this where we can get more intimate and start reason and put on the cell phone and start text. See 10 people, a man and a woman sit down, and the man depend on his cell phone, look over there so him not interact too much. You know, that type of thing would I like in them settings here, a little bit more personal. So we give thanks to small businesses. This is not an endorsement. This is just coming from the heart. All right? Blessings.
Yeah, but knowing me, I go up on Yard Style Live still, because people, Yard Style Live, yes, so we keep it real. So I say bless up to everybody who support the movement. And right now, thanks to Singing Melody for being a part of Yard Style Live. Yard Style Live, yes, so we keep it real. Yes, so we keep it real. Do remember to like, share, subscribe. Yard Style Live on all of the platforms. Again, I'm going to big up my blazer, because we're not going to jacket, too much jacket there embassy. You understand me? And big up my blazer place. You understand me? Big up Star Walk Fashion. You understand me? Because I didn't provide the, because I would say, when I'm feeling, may I tell you? All right, I'm going to get the last song. So people, bless up. Yard Style Live.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.
This segment is brought to you by Jamrock Record Publishing.
This is Music Phil.
This is DJ Spooky.
With Fling Back.
Rotted Rhythm Review.
This week's rhythm is,
Book.
yeah, the book rhythm produced by,
King Jammies.
yeah, you don't know.
And John.
Yeah, rhythm tracks played by
Jazzwad.
Yes, book rhythm. Why if I hear the rhythm, if I hear the name of the rhythm book, you know it basically that's the way it is. If you can remember, there was this song, or there is the song called Book by Bounty Killer. Yeah, you see me? It was a very catchy rhythm back in the days. Yeah, as I say, with them rhythm and spooky, we can take the back and play. And the song was basically relaying a message, say, you must take up your book. Yeah, man. Education. You understand me? Because, you know, book, on the pressure, on the book. Yeah, and, you know, my school, I had in the car night. Yeah, big up the rest of school, I made a book. You understand me?
Big up Oliver School night.
Yeah, you see me? So, it was like an anthem. Because on that rhythm, you had two songs for Bounty Killer. You had book, and you had a song called More Girl. More Girl. Yeah, that was one of the other iconic songs for Bounty Killer. So, upon the rhythm there, Bounty Killer dominated them have two songs. He have an education and have a girl song. What's it up on the rhythm now, DJ Spooky?
General Degree.
Gripland, yeah. Degree, big up yourself. I want to make you tell you, every rhythm go up and degree there, you know. Trust me. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Him catalog, and even cat come like a dog or a lion lag. Whole heap of song.
Tall.
Yeah, tall. And what's it up on the rhythm now? Degree, Bounty Killer, who again?
Spragga Benz. Good as girl.
And where they go there as girl?
Yeah.
Yeah, and who again? Remember me again.
Man a Soldier, Lee Rice Smart.
No, Man a Soldier by Leroy
Dan
Dan Smart.
Smart.
Yeah, yeah, you have to
Have
get
to
that
put on
part
the Dan
out.
on it.
Yeah, you have to put
Can't
the
leave off the Dan.
Can't leave off the Dan. If you just have Leroy without the Dan, it's just a Leroy when a Smart. So you have to have Leroy
Dan Smart.
Yeah, and what's the on rhythm must be quick and fast.
You know, say, a few more up on it, them not really.
Yeah, tell
The
me
boss.
them now. Yeah, tell me them now. Quick and fast, because I try to go through my
Have
memory.
all, think a Galaxy P up on it too.
Yeah, what the Galaxy P the name? Look on the list now.
I don't remember the name.
Who else is there on it? I say you have Degree, Bounty,
Spragga Benz.
Leroy Smart, and who else is there on it? Admiral Bailey never there on it, but you're too early or something like that.
Yes,
Too
Admiral
early.
Bailey. Too
Admiral
early.
Bailey, too early. You know, it was one of them song when I thought was, boy, you know, too young.
Too young.
Do the thing them. It was a little anthem for the ladies, you understand me? So, yeah, the book rhythm was, you know, one of them rhythm they were, as we say, it'd have some song on it where they would like, you know, lift up, you know, do good
Education.
education, it'd have the girl song them. So, you'd have to know to play the rhythm, you understand me? It was a bad rhythm, I know, said, them time the jazz was in prime.
Yeah, man.
Anything jazz was touch, gone. So, the book rhythm, as I say, it came out in what year again?
1995.
Yeah, 1995. Then time them was older. Yeah, you know. Yeah,
I remember one more song,
You
Baby
know,
Sham.
Babe, all right.
Yeah,
Then time the Baby Sham did have a Jammies.
Jammies too.
You see me? Cause
And
when,
John.
Yeah, and John because of the Spragga Benz link. You understand? When
Yeah,
the Baby Sham
Spragga
did
Benz.
again,
One bag of hotness.
oh, you was one bag of hotness,
Hotness,
man. Yo, then time the Baby Sham, a young Baby Sham.
Young Baby
Yeah,
Sham.
then that's one of them come minor hit. So, me I go summarize it by telling like, you know, my peak on it was, me I tell you, come did the record shop. You see the More Girl was my song on it, you see me? The rest of the song them on it, bad and thing, but it's the More, well I say More Girl. And I tell you say Bounty, then time the Bounty more long so you know say my DJ. Then time the Bounty did Hungry.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. You see me a cycle, but you know, when they know, it's a story. But then time the Bounty in prime, then time the Bounty was the main one of the, him then a Jammies call it now, him stable, him label. He was one of the guys that say, anything for Jammies, you know, a Bounty.
Bounty
Him
killer.
earlier it said, so the More Girl, me can tell you, stand out as well. My favorite song for it, because then time they know, man, a girl is, you know. So when you say More Girl, that means you don't want one girl, you want all five, you know. Well, I say More Girl. Yeah. Then time they, me want a girl with all 10 cylinder. Then time the Bounty a DJ, then have them part, yeah. You see me? So, the More Girl, I buy a song for it, Swoogie.
Yeah, my song on it are the book. Bounty Killer.
Yeah, so see it? So, as we say, that rhythm you know, me I get a 8. The reason why me I get 8 out of it because Bounty strike on it twice, you know?
Twice.
Yeah. So you know when an artist strike on a rhythm twice, you know, say
Really nice.
the rhythm nice, you understand me? It's a hit that, you understand me? So you hardly have the rhythm now where one artist has strike on it. Them just probably one artist strike one time, but me I get 8 out of 10. That's my rate, that's how me feel. Book rhythm, 8 out of 10. Bounty take the rhythm. You see me? Bounty take the
Bounty.
rhythm. Bounty take the rhythm with the Boy Girl that by, yeah, me by. And then the book, yeah. So it was balanced. A girl song and a
Education song.
Right, so it balanced. You see me?
Balance.
Spooky.
My pick on it 10 out of 10.
All right, 8 and 10, that's how it go. Yeah, man, so that's how we do it. Pan Rated Rhythm Review, book rhythm, I say 8, Spooky said 10.
Yeah, man.
So you don't
Tune
know it
them
go.
sharp on it.
Yeah, man, so we balance it off. 8, 10. Book rhythm, yeah. 1995 Jammies, Rhythm Track, yeah. Jazz
Jazzwad.
Wad, big up yourself. From them time till now, the rhythm card, yeah. This is Music Phil,
And this is DJ Spooky.
and this has been Fling Back,
Rated Rhythm Review.
yeah, on Yard Style Live.
This segment is brought to you by
Know your roots. The legendary Backyard Magazine.
Yo, this is Music Phil, and this is my Hot 5 picks. Number 5. Big up dancehall, Tira. I don't know Tira, Yard Style Live ambassador. Yeah, big up dancehall, number 5. Number 4, Is There a Party? West Rock featuring La Lee. Number 3 this week. 1, 2, 3. Number 3, Change by Chrissy. Number 2, Rubber Dub by Christopher Ellis. You know, Christopher Ellis is the son of the legendary alternate. Remember the song? Rubber Dub, number 2. Number 1 this week. This week's number 1. You don't know. Genocide, Massacre. It's called History. Number 1 this week by Massacre. This week's number 1 part. Music Phil, Hot 5 Picks. Yeah, number 1. I am Music Phil, and that has been my Hot 5 Picks.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yard Style Live.
Well, you what? Since you don't watch the video to the part, yeah, you're right there, so. Here, I want to do. Like, share, subscribe, Yard Style Live. Yard Style Live. Yes, so we keep it real. Yes, so we keep it clean.
Static at them, Yard Style Life, road open again. Outside, we out here, send every poster. Me nah miss no event. Every party, you fi see me where you say no see me. You know see road open again. Might as well me go sell the bed. Dirt bunks me catch up my friend. We a brav money enough they have to spend. Yard Style Life say them fully charge up. Plug in like charger port. We outside, we no shot a close. We a party, gyal a wet up with water hose. We a the ass support. We fully charge up. Plug in like charger port. Molly gyal a pop and fresh with half a dose. Yard Style a star, me and actor. Them know how we start the show. House party I coulda beat on. Yard Style Life off a reach one. Right now, gyal a bubble up and rum each fan. Shelly belly have a gyal in a the rubbish pan.